Hi, it's me, Cece. And this is my mom. Say hi. She's on Facebook. Here. Whoa, ma. You're raining. Here. It's raining. Oh, no. It's raining a lot. Look at it. See, it's really wet. What? You can maybe see rain coming down. But look, you can see the little raindrops. And look at the car coming. Oh no. It's still raining. You can see little drops. Don't forget, you need an umbrella. There we go. Ow. Ooh, look at it. Golden card. Golden card. Oh no. It's stuck. Yay, go back out. And it's turning the other way. Just like that. And maybe you can see a flood. Maybe right here. Maybe right there. Right there, where my finger is. There. There's rain right there. You can see drops. Other person. Ooh, a shiny drop. You can still see rain. It might snow tomorrow here. Yay! And something else. Today we were staying in for recess. Yeah. So you might do that. Like you live in California, yeah. So, look at the truck. And lots of rain. I don't know if you see it. I'll check. Ooh, another car. Let's see. Ooh, look at it. You can see little drops under the line. See that? See that? It looks like it's snowing, but wet and melted and cold. It's 51 degrees. It's 50 degrees outside. Oh, look at a person. I don't know who that is. Ooh, red car. Just passed. Okay. Ooh, 3 more people. I feel bad for that lady. Oh well. Like she's having a fun time. Oh well. How you will meet you again. Bye. Bye. And have a really ridiculously wet, and foggy day.